Hi, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're looking for a quick and satisfying dinner that tastes like it came from your favorite Japanese restaurant, this shrimp and chicken stir-fry udon is the perfect recipe. It comes together in about 20 minutes and is a great way to use leftover chicken while creating a meal that's packed with savory, slightly sweet, and umami-rich flavor. Before we get started, if you're looking for some of my favorite kitchen tools, cookware, and ingredients, be sure to check out my Amazon storefront. You can find the link in the description. First, we'll make the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2.5 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 3/4 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 tablespoons chicken broth, 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, 1/2 teaspoon rice wine vinegar, optional for extra brightness, a pinch of pepper and red pepper flakes or gochugaru if you'd like a little heat. Whisk everything together until the brown sugar is mostly dissolved, then set the sauce aside. If you don't have mirin, you can substitute it with 1 tablespoon rice vinegar plus 1/2 teaspoon sugar or 1 tablespoon dry sherry. A small splash of apple juice or white wine also works in a pinch. Next, cook 400 to 500 grams or 14 to 18 ounces of fresh or frozen udon noodles according to the package instructions. This usually takes just 1 to 3 minutes. Drain the noodles. Rinse them under cold water and toss them with a tiny drizzle of olive oil to keep them from sticking while you prepare the stir fry. Heat 1 tablespoon of the 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large wok or skillet over medium heat. Add 10 medium shrimp peeled in the vein. Then season them with salt and black pepper to taste. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side or until the shrimp turn pink and are just cooked through. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil to the same pan. Then add 1 small onion thinly sliced and the white parts of 2 to 3 green onions. Saute for about 1 minute until they begin to soften. Next, add 3 to 4 minced garlic cloves. Cook for 20 to 30 seconds just until fragrant. Then stir in 1 to 2 carrots, julienne or thinly sliced. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 to 3 cups roughly chopped cabbage or substitute bok choy or napa cabbage if you prefer. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes just until the cabbage starts to wilt while still staying slightly crisp. Now, add the cooked udon noodles directly to the pan. Pour the prepared sauce over the noodles and vegetables. Using tongs, toss everything together for about 1 minute so the noodles absorb all that rich, savory sauce. Return the cooked shrimp to the pan. Then add 100 to 150 grams of leftover pan-fried chicken breast, sliced or chopped. Continue tossing everything together for another 1 to 2 minutes, just until the chicken is heated through and everything is evenly coated in the glossy sauce. If the noodles seem a little dry, add a small splash of chicken broth or water. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the noodles and toss once more. Finish with the green parts of the sliced green onions, sesame seeds if desired. Serve immediately while hot. And that's a wrap on today's experiment. Make sure to check out lifewithmikeandaj.com for more recipes and I'll see you next time.